probably laugh at my microphone, but I don't care. What is important for me right now is the message that's gonna be shared. It is the message that I'm gonna share with you. Okay, so people often claim they want to be free, yet when asked to define freedom, they often hesitate because they are unable to articulate what it truly means to them. Actually, what we consider to be freedom is merely an illusion. There is no pre existing freedom, there is no freedom without responsibility. Speaking of freedom without responsibility is like talking about a football match without soccer, a sea without waves, or a sauce without salt. Others even think that freedom is the absence of constraint. But let me assure you that you lie yourself, man. Freedom is not the absence of constraints, but rather the overcoming of them. It is the ability to rise above them. Am I making sense? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Richard. Doses with my magical microphone. I'm so proud of that.